In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive a project in HoneyBook, Workspace Cleanup 2026. If your workspace feels cluttered with finished or inactive jobs, archiving is the quickest way to tidy up without losing your history. Archiving moves a project out of your active pipeline while keeping its information accessible whenever you need it. Start by heading to honeybook.com, log in with your credentials, and if you're prompted for security verification, complete that quickly so you can continue. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the main navigation. This sidebar is where you'll find everything you need. Click Projects to open your project pipeline. Here, you'll see your full list of projects. If you have a lot, it can help to use the search bar or filters to narrow it down by client, status, or date. Locate the project you want to archive. This might be one that's completed, declined, or paused indefinitely. Next, find the three dots next to that specific project to open more options. Choose Move Stage, then select Archive. HoneyBook will show a confirmation window that explains exactly what happens when you archive. File statuses will expire. Payments, emails, and automations will stop, and you'll still receive new client messages in that project. This is helpful, because if a client replies later, their message won't be lost. Archiving doesn't delete your project. It simply moves it to the archived stage of your pipeline so it's out of the way, but still available. You'll be asked to choose a reason for archiving from a list. Or, you can add your own. Selecting a clear reason is great for reporting and keeping your process organized, especially when you review your pipeline performance later. Once you've set the reason, click Archive Project to confirm. A quick tip before you finalize. Double-check for any outstanding invoices, scheduled payments, or automations you still need. If there are documents or receipts you want on hand, download or note them now so you're not hunting for them later. After archiving, you can always find the project in the archived stage and move it back to an active stage at any time using the same Move Stage option. That flexibility makes it safe to archive without worrying you'll lose access. And that's it. You've archived a project in HoneyBook and cleared space in your active workflow. Keeping your pipeline clean makes it easier to focus on what's current, respond faster, and maintain a professional system as you head into 2026 and beyond.